the sun's gonna bother the lighting in this video. Unless I put my arm like right here. Okay, that's a little better. Alright guys, so god damn, there's just crazy amount of songs dropping today, and obviously we have the new Whitechapel album that's gonna have to wait. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. I really don't know when I'm gonna have time. This weekend's gonna be busy for me. Just being real. And plus, there's just too many freaking songs. So we did Crown the Empire, Papa Roach, just record Being Is an Ocean, Comeback Kid. Now we're going to do Fit for an Autopsy, and then hopefully we get to Shadow of Intent and some other band. I already forget what the other one was. It's just too much. Okay, guys. Pandora's Nameless track. Oh, What the Future Holds drops January 14th, 2022. So, gonna be one of the early albums of next year dropping. It's only 14 days or 2 weeks before my birthday, so pretty good birthday gift. Alright, music video, let's go. Pandora. Volumes was the other one. Sorry guys, I disrespected Volumes there for a minute. So far this song's pretty decent. It's definitely got some interesting melody to it. Oh! Another breakdown. Oh! 4 minutes and 35 seconds long. 2 breakdowns. Nice. I like that, guys. At first I wasn't sure what to think, just because it felt like it was gonna be more melodic. I don't know why, but it ended up being, just ended up grabbing me during the second half a little bit more. So with that being said, I think I don't enjoy this as much as Far From Heaven, but it's definitely still good. I think it's a pretty decent 7.7 out of 10. What do you guys think? Is that being too harsh, too critical? I think it's good though. Like I said, I just I don't know where my taste stands as far as deathcore goes. I want the brutal, but I also do want different moments, I guess, if that makes sense. And I know Fit for an Autopsy is definitely capable of doing that, so that's like no critique to the song or anything. It's good, but if you're just looking for like a banner, okay, here you go. This is not very much riff-centric, so to speak, so I'm sure there's good riffs. I just wasn't really in your face as much. So that's it. I think the vocals were really good as always from Joe. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section down below, and we will see you in the next reaction. Got plenty to edit here, so bye.